Good morning, students. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about modulo 9 synchronous counter using T-flip. T-flip. Modulo 9 up counter using T-flip. Modulo 9 up counter using T-flip. Synchronous counter, right? Synchronous counter, right? Now here we have to take modulo 9, so that is 4 variable. So you take that one as Q4, Q3, Q2 and Q1, right? Then that value is 0 to modulo 9 is 0 to 8. So we are having that value 0 to 8. After that we are going to have 0 and then 0 to 8, 0 and so on. So here you have to start with 0, then 0, 0, 1, then 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, then 1, 0, 0, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, up to the 0 to 8, right? Then the next state, right? So the 0, 0, 2, it will go for Q4, Q2, Q3, Q1, right? 0, 0, 2, 1. It will move to 0, 0, 1. Then next one, it will move to 0, 0, 1, 0. From 1 to here, we move to the next state 1, 1, then 3 to 4, and 4 to 5, 5 to 6, then 6 to 7, 7 to 8, then 8 to back to 0, 0. Right. Now we are going to design using T flip-flop. T flip-flop, the characteristic is if you are giving 0, no change. If you are giving 1, then it is toggled. So now here what input we have to give for that change. T4, T3, T2, T1. Right. Here we are having now, we have to write here 0 to 0. There is no change. 0. 0 to 0, there is no change. So the last bit only change. So the last bit only, then here we are having now toggle. So T0 to 1 change. So you have to change that's the one, right? Next we are having now, this is 0 to 1. This is 1 to 0. So we have to toggle, right? Then this 2 bit is, there is no change. So here we are having 1, 1. And then here we are having the changes only the last bit. So here we have to write it that one as here 0, 0, 0, 1. And next here we are having a change, right? So that one is here changes here, here, right? So that is here. So here 0, 1, 1, 1. This is change, this is change, and this is change. Right. Then here we have to consider now only the last change. 0, 0, 0, 1. Next, here we are having now 0, 1, 0. So that the last 2 bit 0, 0, 1, 1. And here we are having change now the last 1 bit 0, 0, 0, 1. Next we are having now this is here we are having changes change, change. So here 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 1 to 0 is the last bit only. There is no change. So 1, 1, 1, 0. Now here we are having the changes as here, sorry, 8, 9, not 8, 9, 8, right? So that is here we are having now 7 to 8 and 8 to 0. Now this 8 to 0, here the change is only the first bit. All others are, there is no change. Now, here for this, we have to draw the corner map. For each TP block, you have to find the corner map to find out the equation. Q3, Q2, Q3. Q4, Q3, Q2, Q1. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Similarly, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here we are having now the 7 and 8 is 1, right? All others are 0, all others are. So here we are having now that 7. 7 is 0. This is 7 and 8 is 1. 7 and 7 and 8, right? 7, 8 is 1, right? Then the 8 from 9 onwards, we are having two anchor condition 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now you find the equation. Here we are having this is 8 together because of the x. Now this is T4. So T4 equal to, for this case we are having now, here we are having now that common is Q4 plus, here this is a pair. Here common is Q3, then Q2, Q1. Q2, Q1. This is T4. Next, T3. Right. Here we are having now 3. 3, 1 and 7, 1. Here 3, 1 and 7, 1. Then here from 9 onwards, don't get 9, 10, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? Now you have to group together these 4. So we are having that equation for T3 is Q2, Q1. Q2, Q1. Right. Next we are having now 00011011 00011110. Right here we are having that alternative ones up to 7. Right, all numbers. So that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 4 ones, right? Then here we are having this is don't care, don't care, don't care, don't care, don't care, don't care. Because after 8 there is no number, so we can put it as a don't care, right? So 8 after 8, right? So that is right after 8. So this 8 is 0. Then all others are don't care. Now here you take this one as this is grouped together. Now you will get now that one as T2 equal to only Q1. Right. Next, we'll go for T1. Right. So here 0 to 7 1, 0 to 6 1. Then this is 0 0. 1 1 1 1 4 5 4 5. So here we are having now this is change, right? So that is here this also what, because this is this is 0 to 8 only, not 9. So this is 1. So all are 1. So 6, so 1, right? Now here you have to consider now this is all ones. Now the tone carries this one. Now this 4, 8, this 8 ones can be grouped together. So that is we are having now Q4 dash. So T1 equal to Q4 dash. So that is this one. This is Q4, Q3, Q2, Q1. So Q4 dash. So these are all the equations, right? So that is T1 is Q4 dash, T2 is Q1, and T3 equal to Q2, Q1, and T4 equal to Q4, Q3, Q2, Q1. Right? Now we are going to draw the flip-flop, right? Okay. Here, now we draw the flip-flop. You put it T1, T2, T3, T4. The equation is T1 equal to Q4 dash and T2 equal to Q T2 equal to Q2 T2 equal to Q1, right? Then T3 equal to T2 to Q1, T2 to Q1, T3 equal to Q1, Q2, T4 equal to Q4 plus Q3, Q1, Q2, Q1, Q2, Q1, right? Okay. Now that T1 is connected with, so here, this is a clock. With clock. Now we are having now T1. So this T1 is connected with Q4 dash. This is Q4 dash, right? Then this is Q4. This is Q1. This is Q2. This is Q3. Here we are having preset. And then here we have to draw that, we have to connect that one, right? So that is T1 equal to Q4 bar. So you take that Q4 bar and then you have to connect with this one. Then next we have to connect the T2. T2 is Q1. So T2 is directly connected with Q1. And then T3 equal to Q2 Q1 and right Q2 Q1. So you take this one Q1 and Q2, you make AND gate, and then the result is going to give now T3. So that is the case. Then here we are having now Q3, Q2, Q2, Q1, Q3, right? So Q2, Q1 is we are having now. Then you take Q3. Then you have to make AND. And then you have to take Q4 R. Connect with R. Right? Then this is connect with here. And then this is we are having the clear you don't do anything clear. So CLR clear or reset and reset. This is reset. Now this is the total diagram for modulus synchronous count, right? Modulus 3 mod 9 synchronous up counter, synchronous up counter using T flip-flop, using T flip-flop. So we take 4 T flip-flops, right? So that is, this is the, here we are having now, this is the T flip-flop, and then this flip-flop is going to count now from 0002 up to that 8. Up to that 8, then followed by once again in the Copper series. So that this one is 0002 0, 0, 0, 1. Then we are going and so on up to that 8, and then it will go back to here. This is the state diagram. Right? For Q4, here we are going to Q4, Q2, Q3, Q2, Q1. State diagram, and then you have to draw the table. Then from the table you find out the expression. Then using that expression, then you have to design a circuit. That's all. We will continue by next lecture.